Video Naranjito Sun Part 2. Hello, welcome to the second part of the Naranjito Sun. Here we have a Naranjito Sun, which is the one we're going to construct today. It has a raised center, and around the center it's simple. It has two rounds of knots. The first round forms the rays that radiate from the center. The second round is made close to the pin that holds the mesh. This is how we make it. To make this sun, we need a 2-inch pattern with 24 pins. The thread we'll use is size 20 DMC. Let's begin. I'll take about 2.5 inches of thread. I bring it up on pin number 1 in the north and wrap the thread 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then I hold it underneath. Next, I bring the thread down to the right of pin 1 and to the right of pin 13, counting pins 1 to 12 and 13 to 24. Pass behind pin 1 and pin 2. Bring the thread down to the right of pin 2, then move to the right of pin 14. Go behind pin 14, approach pin 15, pass to the left of pin 15, bring it up again, and meet pin number 2. Move to pin 3, always taking one already used pin and one new pin. This is what creates the formal interlacing of the mesh. When you reach pin 13, bring down all pins except 12 and 13. Release about 1¼ yards of thread. The next step is to make the knot. Release the thread held by the guide pin and bring it to the center. Then make the surgeon's knot. Pass the thread through once, then twice, and tie it in the middle. Cut the thread to about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Measure about 36 inches plus a little extra for the next steps. Thread a 3-inch needle. After making the surgeon's knot, we create loops, lazadas, that gather all the threads in the center. Pass the needle to the left of pin 1 and pull it out to the right of pin 13. Holding the loops gently between your fingers. Continue arranging the threads so they gather neatly at the center. Work around, passing the needle to the right of pin 6 and then the right of pin 19, making sure the threads don't tangle. Once you've finished knotting and interlacing, the Naranjito Sun Mesh is complete. In the next video, we'll learn how to make the knots and start the darning, zercido. If you're right-handed, go under pin 24. If left-handed, under pin 1. We will do 14 rounds of darning before continuing with the knots.